66 facts about the brain. Number 1. Lack of oxygen in the brain for 5 to 10 minutes results in permanent brain damage. Number 2. Your brain keeps developing until your late 40s. Number 3. New brain connections are created every time you form a memory. Number 4. Your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body. Number 5. There's a virus that attacks human DNA, making people less intelligent, impairing brain activity, learning and memory. Number 6. When awake, the human brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Number 7. Violent homes have the same effect on children's brains as combat on soldiers. Number 8. It's scientifically proven that even a small dose of power changes how a person's brain operates and diminishes empathy. Number 9. You have taste receptors in the stomach, intestines, pancreas, lungs, anus, testicles and the brain. Number 10. The pathologist who made Einstein's body's autopsy stole his brain and kept it in a jar for 20 years. Number 11. The human brain has the same consistency as tofu. Number 12. The smell of chocolate increases theta brainwaves, which triggers relaxation. Number 13. The brain releases so much dopamine during orgasms that a brain scan resembles that of someone on heroin. Number 14. Forgetting is good for the brain. Deleting unnecessary information helps the nervous system retain its plasticity. Number 15. Alcohol doesn't make you forget anything. When you get blackout drunk, the brain temporarily loses the ability to create memories. Number 16. Sphenopalatine ganglion neuralgia is the scientific term for brain freeze. Number 17. There is no left brain, right brain divide. It's a myth. They work together. Number 18. Long-term mobile phone use significantly increases the risk of brain tumors, a study found. Number 19. Sleep deprivation affects the brain in multiple ways that can impair judgment and slow reaction. Number 20. The brain treats rejection like physical pain, according to scientists. Number 21. It only takes 6 minutes for brain cells to react to alcohol. Number 22. When you learn something new, the structure of your brain changes. Number 23. Male brains, on average, have a total volume that is between 8% and 13% larger than that of females. Number 24. By 2023, the average $1,000 laptop will be just as fast as the human brain, according to Ray Kurzweil. Number 25. Music triggers activity in the same brain structure that releases the pleasure chemical dopamine during sex and eating. Number 26. Due to the new discovery of many brain parasites, scientists now think a zombie apocalypse is actually possible. Number 27. The feeling of certainty can be triggered without the need for facts or reasoning, using electric stimulation over a specific part of the brain. Number 28. We have more brain cells as a newborn baby than we will ever have again. Number 29. Half of your genes describe the complex design of your brain, with the other half describing the organization of the other 98% of your body. Number 30. A baby's brain can use up to 50% of the total glucose supply, which may help explain why babies need so much sleep. Number 31. In 2015, the fourth most powerful supercomputer in the world took 40 minutes to simulate just 1 second of human brain activity. Number 32. The human brain is composed of about 100 billion neurons plus a billion glial cells. Number 33. At rest, your brain uses 1/5 of a calorie per minute. Number 34. There are virtually no differences in brain anatomy between people with autism and those without. Number 35. You have about 70,000 thoughts a day. Number 36. Half our brains can be removed by surgery with no apparent effect on personality or memory. Number 37. There is no such thing as a male brain or a female brain, all have an unpredictable mishmash of male-like and female-like features. Number 38. Recovering from a breakup is like kicking an addiction to a drug, researchers found from looking at the brain scans of the brokenhearted. Number 39. Research on naps, meditation and nature walks reveals that mental breaks increase productivity, replenish attention, solidify memories and encourage creativity. Number 40. The human brain named itself. Number 41. Researchers found that when jazz musicians improvise, their brains turn off areas linked to self-censoring and inhibition, and turn on those that let self-expression flow. Number 42. Human beings have as many brain cells in their stomachs as cats have in their brains. Number 43. Brain age decreases by 0.95 years for each year of education, and by 0.58 years for every daily flight of stairs climbed, a study found. Number 44. The brain can't actually feel pain despite its billions of neurons. Number 45. We can't remember much of our first few years because the hippocampus wasn't developed enough to build a rich memory of an event. Number 46. Human brains are 10% smaller than they were 20,000 years ago. Number 47. The human brain has enough memory to hold 3 million hours of television. Number 48. Humans spend 13% of their lives not focusing on anything in particular. Number 49. It takes about 0.2 seconds for your brain to understand the light that reaches your eye. Number 50. A woman's hippocampus, central to memories, mood, and emotions, grows in sync with estrogen levels as she goes through her menstrual cycle. Number 51. Breastfeeding actually changes the way a mother's brain works, making her more attuned to the child's crying. Number 52. People plotting revenge experience heightened activity in the brain's reward center, according to a 2004 study in the journal Science. Number 53. Our brain's cognitive decline starts at age 24, according to a study. Number 54. A scan of Sting's brain found that composing music activates different parts of the brain than writing poetry or creating art. Number 55. To your brain, one sleepless night is the cognitive equivalent of being legally drunk. Number 56. 35 years after leaving school, the majority of people can still identify 90% of their classmates. Number 57. The average intelligence of humans has risen 20 IQ points since 1950, a study found. Number 58. Lack of sleep may shrink your brain. Number 59. Research shows that people can handle 2 tasks at a time, but they make 3 times as many errors when a third task is added. Number 60. Brain scans taken during a study showed that listening to poems activated parts of participants' brains that are not activated when listening to music or watching films. Number 61. When looking at a crowd, we can only recognize 2 faces at a time. Number 62. To understand a pun, your brain's right and left hemispheres have to work together, due to the unique structure of the joke. Number 63. The average English speaker has about 50,000 words in their mind and finds the right one in 600 milliseconds. Number 64. While studying brain scans to search for patterns that correlated with psychopathic behavior, neuroscientist James Fallon found that his own brain fit the profile. Number 65. Even a short, one-time burst of exercise can boost parts of the brain responsible for executive functions such as decision-making and focus, a research paper found. Number 66. A study using MRI scans showed that the brains of people who exercise moderately look 10 years younger than those who don't.
And that's it for today. If you liked this video, please take some time to tap on like button and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. And also check out our popular videos that are visible on your screen. Meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.